while maintaining the sedan-like driving experience of the low-floor platform and styling that does not give the impression of a minivan. We have refined the styling. The revived Honda Odyssey is made by GAC-Honda in Guangzhou, and it's the first Chinese assembled model to be exported to Japan. This will mark the first time that China-made Honda vehicles will be sold in Japan. Honda is one of the largest car makers in the Asian country. The new Odyssey will be available in 3 grades: Absolute, Absolute EX and Absolute EX Black Edition. The design features a newly designed front grille. The wide opening of the grille has been enlarged to emphasize the wide feel, and the combination of 5 horizontal plated bars with a protruding design creates a sense of luxury. Additionally, by placing the Honda emblem further forward, the front feels more protruding, a design that aims to give the car a more powerful and solid feel. Furthermore, the Absolute EX Black Edition features interior and exterior features such as a black chrome-plated front grille, black smoke lens rear combination lamps, matte Berliner black 18-inch aluminium wheels and black roof pillar lining. Incorporating black decoration, it has the sophistication of the top-of-the-line model. In the rear, the conventional lever-type shift in the old model has been replaced with an advanced electric gear selector that allows for comfortable shifting. It is now possible to install an 11.4-inch or 9-inch dealer optional navigation system, as well as the ability to install commercially available DIN standard navigation system and audio equipment, which is a great feature for users who are particular about their acoustics. The interior features 4-way power seats in the second row of all types. The ottoman and recliner are now electrically controlled, allowing for fine adjustments. In addition, second row armrest is equipped with a mini tray for storing small items, a Type-C USB charger, and a second row seat center table, making it a second row seat suitable for a flagship minivan. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter gasoline engine as part of a 2-motor hybrid powertrain to deliver a combined output of 181 horsepower and 315 Nm of torque channeled to the wheels via an eCVT.